Hello again. We are going to explore Windows accessibility options. I am not sure how many people know that Windows has these options. Accessibility options were available in Windows 98. Windows 11 takes these a step further. You can find your accessibility options in the Start button context menu and then select Settings. Or you can click Start and type Accessibility and find the options as well. Let's dig into the accessibility settings. Off the top we have text size. This feature will try keep the application looking the same. For example, button size, labels, etc., while enlarge the text. Next up is visual effects. Always show scroll bars. Keep the scroll bars visible instead of shrinking them down, making them hard to find. Transparency will make some window backgrounds transparent, and animation effects animate your interactions with the windows. We can also set the notification timeout. Mouse pointer and touch options allow you to set the mouse icon to be higher contrast and easier to track, allow it to invert colors based on background, and adjust its size. The touch indicator helps you see where you are touching your screen. You can also make it larger and darker to help with visibility. Text cursor settings adjust the text cursor. Again, this helps with visibility, adding highlights to the cursor. You can set the highlight color and size. The overall thickness can be adjusted as well. Magnifier is a feature that has been around for a long time. It allows you to zoom in on sections of the screen like you have a magnifying glass. The setting will let you set the base zoom level and how much it zooms in when adjusted. You can also find the invert color settings here. This will invert the colors while in the magnifier. The magnifier has an option to read what it is focused on too. Windows 11 has the ability to help with color blindness. You can set filters to adjust for several different types of color blindness. There often is a keyboard shortcut that can be enabled for most of these accessibility options. Here you can see that option. Windows key plus Control plus C to turn color filters on or off. High contrast themes, again, help with enhancing visuals to allow people with sight issues to use and function within the Windows environment. I have personally helped set up this option for a staff member at work. The narrator feature will read your screen to you. As you move the mouse over sections of the screen, the narrator will read it. This allows someone with high visual impediment or a reading disability to comprehend what is on the screen and what they're about to click. There are a lot of options to customize this feature. The next section has to do with helping those with hearing issues. First, we have audio. These settings will change your audio into a single channel or mono audio. It can also flash the screen when there is a notification. Captions or closed captions. This feature will try to provide live captions for any video and audio on your screen. You can customize this setting, setting the style, color, and font. The next section focuses on interaction with speech, keyboard, mouse, and eye control. Speech lets you control the computer with your voice. You can command windows and voice type. Keyboard options include the usual Windows features, sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys, and the notification setting for these settings. It also has the on-screen keyboard setting and the toggle to turn on underline access keys. The mouse feature allows you to control your mouse with the keyboard. Here you can turn this setting on and set how it behaves. The last feature we will be looking at is the eye control feature. I don't have an eye tracker to enable this feature. I have seen demos of this technology in the early to mid-2000s. This allows people that are paralyzed access to a computer, giving them the ability to communicate to those around them. We have now visited all the accessibility features in Windows 11 and had a brief overview of their function. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. See you next time.